Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, makes it more difficult for someone else to access your Tufts accounts, even if your password has been stolen or guessed. Tufts University uses a service called Duo for two-factor authentication. Duo 2FA decreases the risk of identity theft and exposure of sensitive info. This is accomplished by requiring users to complete two separate steps when logging into a 2FA-enabled web service. First, you provide something you know, which is your Tufts credentials. Second, you verify your identity using something you have, which is a physical device like your phone. This is typically done through a push notification to the Duo mobile app on a smartphone or tablet. When logging in, Duo allows you to switch between different authentication methods and devices that you have enrolled. Once you've done both steps, you're granted access to the service. For your convenience, after you authenticate successfully, Duo will ask you if you are using a personal device that can be trusted and remembered for future logins. If you are on a shared or public computer, say no. Saying yes will allow you to skip the authentication step for 14 days when logging into this service on this device. If you switch your device or browser, you will need to authenticate with Duo again. Also, choosing yes won't work if your browser is set to forget cookies, or on a small number of services that don't allow the remembered permission. Now, what if someone else besides you tries logging into a 2FA-enabled service with your credentials? You will get the Duo 2FA prompt. If this happens, you can decline the login request, for example by hanging up the phone call or denying the push notification. This will prevent the other person from accessing your account. You should then take steps to change your password and alert information security of the attempted breach. To manage your settings for two-factor authentication, visit the Access Tufts service page for Duo 2FA. Click Manage and log in. From here, you can enroll in 2FA if you haven't done so already, add new devices, manage existing devices, and more. We recommend setting up multiple devices for Duo to give yourself options. For convenience, Duo will automatically default to the last method you used for verification. For more information on using two-factor authentication, visit the Access Tufts service page for Duo 2FA and the Tufts Duo user guide.